If someone asks an AI about your website today, what does it actually read? Most sites have a sitemap for search engines. Very few have anything that's written specifically for AI models. That's where llms.txt comes in. Geekflare has a free llms.txt generator that does the heavy lifting for you. All you need is a website URL or even sitemap can work, and it will generate the file in a few seconds. Let's try it. I will paste in, click generate llms.txt. The tool scans the site and creates a structured llms.txt file. Instead of exposing every page on the website, it organizes the important content into something AI models can understand much more easily. Let's run another one. This time I will use netlify.com. Again, the generator builds the file automatically. If your site already has a sitemap, that's usually enough to generate a solid starting point. You can always edit the file afterward if you want more control over what's get included in it. A good way to think about is this. Your sitemaps helps search engines discover pages. Your llms.txt helps AI systems understand which pages matters the most. It's less about indexing everything and more about providing useful context. Once you're happy with the result, copy the file and place it at the root of your website. For example, yourdomain.com/llms.txt. From there, AI systems that support the format can use it alongside the rest of your site's content. If you're already publishing documentation, blogs, or developer content, this only takes a couple of minutes to set up. It's one of those small additions that's easy to overlook today, but could become part of how AI systems discover and understand websites going forward.